So we have the next walking stick. It's actually butternut. It's a wood I've never carved with or made anything with. I got it while it was still green, had a wicked bend in it. So what I've done is I've strapped it to a board, left it now for several months, and we're going to see if it comes out straight. Kind of curious myself. That's not bad. I think this one's going to work out. It's straightened out. Nice. So we're about an hour into it. As you see, taking off all the bark, started sanding things down. Sanded it down to about 80. Beautiful grain. Let me bring that into the light. Really dark. I thought it'd be a much lighter wood. But beautiful grain patterns. This is going to pop nicely with oil. And because of the height, because of how small the diameter is, if it's even an inch, I'd be surprised. We're not going to do too much to this. We're going to let the natural beauty of this wood pop out. Keep it a rather more simple design. But this one's coming out nice. Really beautiful. So what I started doing is laying out a pattern. Started doing a hexagon pattern. I just made just a little freehand template out of a flexible plastic. That way I can place it on the stick where I need, putting a little distance between each one. And then you just trace out a little bit of the outline here, each side, and then join it up, sort of freehand. So we'll lay that out, and then what we're going to do is we're going to carve out this negative space in between the two. I think that'll come out nice. So let's see how that goes. It's going to take a while. brush and clean it up. Alright, so we're all complete. What we're going to do now is apply a nice finish. Tongue-and-teak oil. A little different, but with this butternut, I'm thinking it's going to turn a little like walnut and get darker. So let's find out. Oh, it's turning out great. Really nice contrast. Patterns coming out nice. Interesting between some of the light and darker woods, but this is going to look great. So there you have an easy weekend project. Here we took a smaller stick, really couldn't make much of a carving out of it, but still made a nice pattern for the handle. Little hexagons or little beehive pattern. I think it came out great. Again, using butternut, which is first time using this wood, and it came out beautiful. A little rubber foot down at the bottom. A little bit smaller diameter, but I think it came out really nice. Really good details, good coloration, and that pattern worked out just fine. Hope you enjoyed it. So in case you have a stick that you can't quite make a carving out of, but still makes good walking sticks, maybe a small walking cane, I think this works out great. Hope you enjoyed it.